All aboard America's newest and fastest trains. Amtrak's all-new NextGen Acela trains are now accepting passengers. They're fast enough to reach speeds up to 160 miles per hour. Part of what makes it so fast is Alstom's Tiltronic system. It actually slightly tilts the train through curves, like when a motorcycle takes a turn. This creates a smoother, faster ride without sacrificing safety. These trains are meant as an upgrade to the previous game-changing Acelas, introduced all the way in 2000. Would you be booking a seat?